How to reply to specific messages on WhatsApp. Let me show you. Specific reply refers to a message that was sent you in the past at any point of your chat history, either in private chats or in groups. So to create such kind of reply, you need to tap and hold on any message, let's say on yesterday's message. And now tap on this rounded left arrow and start typing your answer. Tap on send. And now if you tap on this reply, it scrolls up to the message you replied to. And also you can even start typing. And after you start typing, select any message you wish to reply. Tap and hold. And tap on the rounded left arrow. And continue reply to the message. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.